Hey everybody, it's Ace here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for popping by. Today we're going to do an unboxing of an everyday carry knife. We will talk about what I like about it, what I don't like about it, things I know about it, things that we're learning about it. I don't know that we have something from this brand yet, so I'm a little bit excited. Grab yourself something to drink. I am going with the Costco Classic Sparkling Water, and let's get into it. This knife is from, first of all, we are using the Grimsmo Norseman. It's really pretty. I love the color of this. To open. I really like Grimsmo. I use their pens. So we purchased a knife from, it is SPK Unlimited. Watch my fancy knife skills. I should really be doing this up against something, but you know, you cut towards your buddy, not your body. It's good knife practicing. So this is a USA company. They're from Rochester, New York. That's what I've heard. And it's the first SPK Unlimited knife that we have in our house, which is exciting. In the box, we've got some corrugated paper. It's very fancy. It's like almost like camouflage. So that's all that's in there. Okay. That is, this is some intense wrapping. I haven't seen that before. It's kind of, feels weird. Check it out. It's like barbed wire. So this is their logo, where you see the S and then the P and the K. That's pretty cool. And then it says manufactured in the US always, which I think is pretty cool. They make a point to say that they source their materials and manufacture everything. It's a little guy. Okay, inside there are some goodies. We have the SPK sticker, and then it looks like maybe, I don't know if it's, this is Norse. I don't know who this. Ah, I see. Okay. This is a mythological creature. This is actually the knife that we purchased. Lamia or Lamia? Lamia? Lamia. So the ancient Greek mythological demon Lamia. And that is who this is. That's pretty cool. Ooh, she's got some boobs showing. A little bit of cleave going on there. There you go. Enjoy that. Here we have it. It is smaller than most of the, I mean, look at, that's substantial. The overall length is 7.5 inches. Oh, wow. And the blade is 3.5 inches, but while it's closed, it's 4.25 inches. Okay, first impressions, it feels very cool. This is different. I don't think I've felt anything like this. One of the things that they mention on the website is that they use on the blackout finish, they use 36 grit A-LOX, which is steel shot abrasive. It's aluminum oxide. So that's what they're using on their scales. Very cool. It's got a pattern and it almost looks like DNA, the way that you've got, I'll take a picture of it so you can see it up here, but it has this pattern that looks like DNA. Okay. Wow, this feels very thin and delicate, but I'm sure it'll cut somebody, right? So the blade is 3.5 inches, like I said, and the thickness is 0.1 inches. The scale thickness is 0.165 inches. The blade material is Vanex Super Clean. It has a drop point blade that is only machined 3/4 of the way up. The lock insert is, the lock insert material is AEBL stainless steel, and the detent ball is zirconium oxide. Okay, so this is generation 4, and when I say they, I'm talking about SPK Unlimited. Generation 4 Lamia Nature Grip Vanex Blackout. It has the Chris Reeve integral, or just Reeve integral lock. Oh, okay, let's try that again. See if I can do it. Okay. Doesn't have that, it's got a little pink because it's very light. I don't know what makes it so light, but that blade is really pretty. First impressions, really like it. I can see that there are, I'm gonna put a picture up here, but you can see the striations or just the milling marks. Very cool, and it feels great. They used a 110 grit aluminum oxide on the blade specifically. It's a right carry, a tip up carry, and What else do I want to say about this? First impressions, very impressed. This is a great addition to our collection. You can see in the top right here, it says SPK for their brand. That's neat. And then on the back, it says V and X. It's a Van X. So you can see the V and X. Let's see if there's any other markings. Okay, I'm satisfied because I was able to do that. My nails are long right now too, so that's pretty impressive. On the clip, there is a pattern on the clip, and it also says SPK on the clip. Very cool. This would make a great boob knife because it is not heavy. I actually don't know the weight. It wasn't on the website as to what the weight is, but it feels really good. So, what do you think? What questions do you have? Is there a big SPK Unlimited following out there? Yes. Okay. So welcome to the club. We're a little bit late, apparently. The handle, the clip, the backspacer, and the hardware are all Aerospace 6 AL4V grade 5 titanium. I just am I love it because I can flick it open, and that's important to me. So what questions do y'all have? This was $8.85, and I'm gonna go ahead and just stick it right in there, and I don't think you're gonna get it. Thanks for watching.